Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need to Say More. Today I want to show you how to cut out the Iris Undies step by step. So let's first talk about fabric efficiency. Most people waste fabric because the first fold is rushed. So take a minute to line up a clean edge, measure with a tape measure, make sure that fold is even and consistent. So the first fabric that I'm cutting out is the cotton jersey. So this is my soft, breathable layer, and this is what's going to be predominantly against my skin. So you need to make sure that the greatest stretch runs horizontally across the pattern, because this is what's going to make the underwear feel comfortable. I'm going to move on to the power mesh, and this is what's going to give gentle support and it's going to give stability to the undies. So you need to make sure this is true to grain and not stretch it as you place the pattern onto the fabric. To hold everything still, I'm going to use pattern weights, and this is especially helpful for slippery jerseys. And for cutting small pieces like this on a curve, I'd recommend using a rotary cutter. Every cut here is building your confidence. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and share it